one, this thingamajigger, this is grape soda slime, and I just got it from Walmart. It's like, I think it's new, so yeah, let's do this. Ta-da! I actually really like them. They're actually scented too, so I don't know. I like these, like the texture and stuff. So let's just go ahead and do what I always do. It's a little egg. I don't know what kind of egg that is, but it's an egg. All right, let's see. What's gonna happen? I feel like this one's probably just gonna get like overactivated because it seems like it has that texture, but I don't know. Maybe this one kind of seems like it has a different texture, so it might be different. Okay, well, it doesn't seem like it's mixing very well so far. Alright, well, I tried my best, guys, but I think this is all that's gonna happen. It's like, it's not mixing with the slime, like, at all. Like, I don't even think it's mixed right now. I think it's just kind of, like, spread out. Okay, well, that did not mix well at all. This didn't turn out very good, so let's get on to the next one. Next we're gonna do, guys, is from Karina Garcia Craft City, and these are her new ones. I haven't seen them at all. I like her other ones, so let's see what happens. Let's see these ones. I can't open it. Okay, this is the breakfast slime pack, and it has coffee and donuts, so that seems really nice. Ta-da! Okay, so I'm gonna open the cinnamon donut. I hate the seals on these. Ooh, does it have little sprinkles in it? Yes, it has like little orange sprinkles. Oh, there's a lot more. I thought there was only like a little bit. Oh my gosh. This smells amazing. This is crazy. This is insane. It smells so good. This is crazy. I can't. It smells so good, guys. It smells like butter and like an actual freaking donut. This is amazing. Whoa. And it also smells kind of like milk. Like, I can't. I need to buy another one of these. All right, so let's get our clear slime. And here we go. Here's our cinnamon donut egg. Okay, I wonder what's gonna happen. Seems kind of like it's working, kinda. It seems kind of like it got a little bit, like, activated. But yeah, that's it. It kind of just gets thicker though. It still smells fantastic though. Alright, well, it kind of just got like thicker and rippier, so yeah. Next it is coffee! I am so excited because these smell fantastic. Ooh, what is this? Is this a butter slime type deal? It has like a white layer on top that looks exactly like when you make coffee. Oh, this smells so good. Alright, well here, this one is. I don't like this one as much as I like the cinnamon donut. The cinnamon donut was just crazy. I didn't have any words for that one, except amazing. But anyways, here's this one. All right, let's go ahead and put in the slime. I'm gonna put more slime this time, see if that makes a difference. It smells so good still. All right, here it is. It's the coffee egg. Alrighty, well here's how it turned out. It actually mixed very quickly. It's very thick, and yeah. It's funny because it's actually like a really nice thickness. It's just rippy. That's the only problem, but like it's actually really nice and thick. It actually makes like a really cool texture. Okay, well that was interesting. These smell so good, guys. Alright, the next we have, guys, is magnetic putty. This is kind of like, it's not really much of a putty. It's kind of more of like just a slime putty type deal. So it's actually pretty nice to slime. Like it's pretty like stretchy and like squishy. But then it has like this little piece of magnetic powder that you have to kind of like spread out, and that's when it gets rude. Okay, so let me just go ahead and kind of like disperse that. Okay, I think that should be good enough for all I can do. And ta-da! It's a sapphire egg! Let's see what happens with this. I feel like this one actually might look, this one might turn out really cool. Ooh, that looks so cool. Like how it's mixing and everything. Okay, well that mixed very, very cool. I love how it like completely turned into sapphire pigmented slime. It's getting thicker. Like I said, guys, it gets like this really thick, cool consistency. It just gets rippy. It's weird. Like it's like honestly not even rippy. It just gets like hard. So weird. But it actually became really nice. I feel like if we added like hair gel maybe or something, I don't know, but like actually a really cool consistency, guys. Wow. Okay, that was like the most satisfying thing ever though. Okay guys, I gotta tell you something really quick. Like my judge, you guys have to scream hooga hooga and then press the like button in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you guys do it? Did I get you? Let's go back to that. Okay, well this turned into a very weird slime. I'm very weirded. I'm like, it's crazy because it's like, it kind of feels like really like jelly-like and like super soft. I don't know, it's weird, but let's get on to the next one. The next one is from Guava Toys. Yes! I'm so excited about this because I think this is Guava Juice's first slimes. So let me just open this, guys. Anyways, this is his first slimes, and it's a slime pack of Breakfast Bonanza. And it is maple syrup and blueberry, and I am so excited. Okay, these look really similar to Guava Karina Garcia's, so this should be pretty good. Alrighty, so this is maple syrup. I'm excited. I actually really love maple syrup. Whoa. Wow, that one is really nice. Okay, the smell though doesn't really smell like maple syrup. It actually kind of smells like, I don't know what it is. But it just doesn't smell like maple syrup. So I'm kind of sad about that because I really love the smell of maple syrup, but it's okay. But it smells really good still. Alrighty guys, let's go ahead and mix it with our slime. So we got a maple syrup egg right here, guys. I wonder if this one is gonna turn out good. Seems like it. Uh-oh. Oh no. It's so weird, guys, because it like thickens up and then it just like, yeah, that's it. It just like thickens up. It thickens up so much where it like starts to like not be able to stretch anymore. It's like, it's not even like overactivated at this point. Okay, well, I think that mixed a little bit better than the other ones, but yeah. Alrighty, next we're gonna do, it's the blueberry one. I am excited. Oh, whoa, guys, that smells really good. That smells exactly like Karina Garcia's blackberry blast off, I think it's called. Something like that. Oh, this one's like a jelly slime, whoa. This smells really good, although I don't think it smells like blueberry either. But like, wow. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and put that there. And now we have a blueberry egg. Guys, doesn't it look so cool to do this? I don't know, I really like doing this. Ooh, is this one going good, guys? I think it actually is kind of doing a little bit better. I really like the color of this one. Like, it's actually really pretty. This smells so good, guys. Okay, well, I guess that's it for that. That's interesting. You guys comment down below what you think about all these slimes. I think my favorite would probably be this sapphire one, the texture, or this blueberry one. Like, this blueberry one is really nice. Alright, guys, well, I hope you like today's video. Make sure you comment down below because there's a part 2 to this. I'll mix all my KARINA Garcia slimes. I have a lot. And that is it. I love you so much and I hope I see you next time. Bye!